Dinosaurs are one of the most famous ancient creatures on Earth, with countless interesting mysteries being gradually discovered till this day. Not only has historical value, it also becomes a great source of inspiration for artists. So today, let us learn the process of making a realistic wooden dinosaur statue with WoodArt. As the dinosaur is made of wood, like it is alive. First, we come to a giant dinosaur statue laying eggs. As I'd sketch the shape of the dinosaur that I imagined in my head on a large wooden block. Every part of the dinosaur's body was sculpted very carefully by me, from the face to the eyes, teeth, the long tail, sturdy legs, and even pretty little eggs. Everything is so beautiful and sharp. After many hours, the giant egg-laying dinosaur statue was completed. After spraying the paint over it, looking at the statue is like a picture of a dinosaur stepping out from prehistoric times, going up in a time machine back to Earth, as it is so alive and natural, as you must also be overwhelmed by its beauty, right? Moving the large block of wood into place, I decided to craft it into a unique dinosaur box-shaped fossil. As the block of wood is quite big and heavy, I used a large saw to remove the excess wood. Next, I began to shape the basic contours of the dinosaur's head. I cut the log in half to make two parts of the skull. As now, it is time to get into the details. Sculpting a wooden statue of a dinosaur head fossil is really not as easy as you think, as I need to imagine a lot of planning out of the places to be treated on the wood and use a skillful hand to sharpen the lines. And carefully, step by step, fine lines gradually appear. Now, I am starting to make the dinosaur's teeth. Big, long and extremely sharp teeth, as I punched many evenly round holes in the corners of the animal's mouth and had attached the newly created teeth, perfecting the final parts of the fossil, as it looks a lot more fearsome and brave, doesn't it? To highlight the statue, I designed a sturdy table, sprayed painted a luxurious jet black. Covering the entire wooden surface with glossy paint, and our dinosaur head fossil is finished, perfect in every detail, as I burst with joy to create such an excellent work of art. How do you see? Are the fossils on display in the museum? Contrary to the first statue, the dinosaur's wooden statue is a very small in size, but every detail is carved extremely delicately, and vividly and delicately. Putting the pre-made block on the saw, I have quickly shaped it, as today I will carve a T-Rex or Tyrannosaurus Rex. a character associated with my childhood. As this T-Rex moves on two strong hind legs, short front legs, and it comes with sharp claws, a very large skull, and it is balanced by a long heavy tail. To create this, I'd focus on the differences in every detail, how to create a fierce, powerful dinosaur. Finally, I carefully added a wooden base to place the newly sculpted dinosaur statue on, as I admire the achievements yet. Finally, I will continue to sculpt a T-Rex dinosaur statue, but with an extremely large size, as I had to saw a lot of wooden blocks and put them together to create the complete dinosaur. And sculpting is where I had fixed the connection there. As the frame is done, now I am starting to carve each part, as the small detail from every little tooth, the skin texture, toenails, as I did not miss one, because those small details all contribute to creating a balanced and harmonious whole. Even a little lack of it feels unreal. As a final step, I had mixed colors to cover the statue, as this stage is very important, so I had used many different colors to paint on the dinosaur, taking advantage of the visual effects to help the statue come to life. So, I have completed my work excellently. It's satisfying, isn't it? As today's video comes to an end, we hope to bring you an interesting topic. How do you feel today? Please leave your comments in the comment section below to let us know. Don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel. And for now, goodbye and see you in the next video.